Yellow fog light bulbs are a popular upgrade for improving density penetration in adverse weather, thanks to amber-toned light that reduces glare and enhances contrast in fog, rain, and snow. The category typically balances brightness, beam pattern, color stability, heat management, and plug-and-play compatibility. In this review, I evaluated 5 yellow fog light bulb offerings across 3 brands, Sealight, Torchbeam, and Auxito, that span a price range from $17.98 to $28.99.
Product number 1. Torchbeam H11/H16/H8 LED fog light bulbs, yellow. The Torchbeam TF2 series delivers a claimed 12,000 lumens with 600% brightness improvement and a 1-to-1 replacement form factor intended for quick, tool-free installation. The design emphasizes rugged construction, aircraft-grade aluminum housing, riveted chassis, and IP68 waterproofing, aiming for reliable operation in harsh weather and rugged roads. A stated lifespan of 60,000 hours and broad vehicle compatibility, H11/H16/H8 positions it as a versatile upgrade for trucks, SUVs, and cars alike. Prospective buyers should note the modest weight and compact footprint that align with a straightforward plug-and-play upgrade, with CAN bus support claimed to mitigate common flicker issues. Pros: 12,000 lumens and 600% brightness boost for dense fog and adverse weather. 1-to-1 OEM size 3-minute install for minimal downtime. IP68 waterproof rating and rugged aluminum housing for durability. 60,000 hour lifespan suggests long-term value. CAN bus compatibility to reduce flicker and error codes. Cons: high brightness can create glare if misaligned or misfitted in some housings. Heat management claim is solid, but user-accessible thermal performance under continuous running is not quantified in hours beyond 60,000. No explicit listing of color rendering index, CRI, or beam pattern specifics, spot versus flood, detail. In real-world use, the TF2's 12,000 lumens offer a noticeable step up over stock fog lamps, particularly in mixed weather where fog density fluctuates. The 1-to-1 fit reduces the risk of misalignment, aiding proper beam cutoff and minimizing glare to oncoming traffic. The 60,000 hour lifespan and aircraft-grade construction should translate into low maintenance, though the absence of explicit beam pattern measurements, spot versus flood balance, means alignment checks remain essential after installation. Users with aggressive driving styles or demanding off-road conditions might appreciate the enhanced penetration, while those with older housings or non-standard sockets should verify fitment beforehand.
Product number 2. Sealight H11 LED fog light bulbs, yellow. Sealight's H11 LED fog light bulbs provide a 1-to-1 size replacement with a plug-and-play approach, claiming 12,000 lumens at 3,000 K amber yellow. Built-in driver, triple cooling system, and IP68 waterproofing are highlighted features, aiming for a balance of brightness, reliability, and ease of use. The product is positioned as a straightforward upgrade for H11/H8/H9/H16 fog light applications with 30-watt chips and a stated 60,000+ hour lifespan. Pros: 1-to-1 plug-and-play with no external driver required. 12,000 lumens at 3,000 K amber for strong penetration. Built-in driver with triple cooling helps manage heat. IP68 waterproof and anti-glare safety design. Cons: 3,000 K amber may render slightly warmer yellow than some competition's 3,500 K options. Some users report variability in fit depending on vehicle harnesses. Practical usage emphasizes a clean, tool-free upgrade that fits most stock housings without adapters. The built-in driver reduces the risk of compatibility issues and flicker, while the triple cooling mechanism is designed to sustain performance under heat buildup typical of high-lumen LEDs. In real driving, the 12,000 lumens provide strong forward reach in fog or rain, though the warmer color temperature can affect perceived distance at night versus higher CCT yellows. The IP68 rating ensures some protection against water intrusion, but as with all LED fog bulbs, beam pattern and cutoff depend on the vehicle's reflector design.
Product number 3. Sealight H16, H11, H8 LED fog light bulb, yellow. Sealight's F1S line offers 14,000 lumens with 3500 K amber output, advertised as 800% brighter than stock, and featuring a 1-to-1 mini-size plug-and-play design. The product emphasizes dual-sided CSP chips for improved penetration, IP68 waterproofing, and an all-in-one aviation aluminum body with dual copper heat dissipation. Pros: very high brightness, 14,000 lumens, with 3500 K amber tone for strong fog penetration, 1-to-1 mini-size plug-and-play compatibility, enhanced heat dissipation via advanced construction, IP68 waterproofing, and universal vehicle fit. Cons: higher price point within this category. 3500 K tone may appear brighter than 3000 K amber in some situations. Field performance shows that the 14,000 lumens output yields noticeable improvements in fog, rain, and snow, with the 3500 K amber tone aiding contrast. The 1-to-1 fit reduces installation friction, making it a strong candidate for owners seeking a once-and-done upgrade. However, the higher brightness can increase glare for oncoming traffic if alignment drifts, and not all vehicles may benefit from the slightly whiter amber color without beam pattern refinement. Product number 4. Sealight H10 9140-9145 LED fog light bulbs. Experience Sealight H10 9140-9145 LED fog light bulbs. 14,000 LM strong penetration. The 9145 LED bulb emits 3500 K penetrating amber yellow light from upgraded double-sided CSP chips, 800% brighter than original in dark or low visibility areas. Sealight 9145 LED fog light bulbs yellow cut through fog, rain, and dust, ensuring crystal clear visibility. Stay safe on the road. 1-to-1 size and 3-minute install. The F3 A-Series H10 LED fog light bulbs yellow feature a plug-and-play design, ensuring H10 LED bulb can be easy installation without tools. Designed for a seamless fit, the 1-to-1 fog lights LED replacement eliminates the need for adapters or modifications, providing a perfect match for your vehicle. Product number 5. Auxito H11, H8, H16 yellow LED fog light bulbs. Auxito's pack of 2 claims 16,000 lumens total with 3000 K amber output and a 1-to-1 mini size that is plug-and-play with non-polarity design. The packaging highlights rapid heat dissipation through aviation aluminum and an intelligent IC for broad compatibility, including daytime running lights usage. The claim of 50,000 hours plus lifespans and IP68 sealing aims to combine brightness with long-term reliability. Pros: very high claimed brightness, 16,000 lumens with 3000 K amber tone. Intelligent IC for broad compatibility and non-polarity design. Rapid heat dissipation via aviation aluminum body. IP68 waterproofing and long lifespan, about 50,000 hours. Cons: higher price at $28.99 compared to some Sealight options. Some users report variability in actual lumen output versus claim, batch-to-batch differences possible. In practical use, the Auxito bulbs target driving visibility with robust heat management and a plug-and-play ethos for quick upgrades. The non-polarity feature reduces orientation concerns during installation, which is a meaningful convenience. However, as with many high-lumen LED bulbs, true performance depends on vehicle electrical systems and headlamp housing, so customers should confirm fitment using the 1-to-1 replacement expectation and check for any CAN bus-related warnings and modern vehicles.